I made this video about descaling the Nespresso coffee machine mostly because I found the instructions that come with the descaling kit to be really confusing. There are 23 different languages and small, hard to follow pictograms. I thought a visual presentation might help. The first step in descaling is to prepare the machine. First of all, you'll need to order from Nespresso the descaling kit, which comes with 2 sachets of solution and those instructions I talked about before. You'll need to remove the drip tray from underneath and the water collection tank. Put in the tank 500 mils, that's about 2 cups of cold water, cold fresh water. Add 1 sachet of solution to the water. Be careful with this stuff, it's quite acidic. I don't think it would be very nice on your skin. Put the tank in the machine, and now we need to get the machine into descaling mode. To do this, first of all switch the machine on. After a minute or so, when the 2 buttons on top have stopped flashing, press and hold them for about 3 seconds. They'll then start blinking quickly. This indicates you're in descaling mode and ready for stage 2, descaling the machine. Just press the large cup button and all the solution will start to run into your collection container. It will run out, make some gurgling noises, but don't be tempted to push any buttons at this stage because the pump will stop automatically when it's ready. Once it has run out, we want to run the solution through the machine again. So reuse the warm solution, pour it back into the water tank. Run it through again by pressing the large cup button one more time. Just like before, once the solution is spent and is run completely through the machine, the pump will stop all by itself. The machine is now descaled and we just need to rinse the machine thoroughly. First of all, discard the solution down the sink. There will be a little bit of solution left in the tank as well, so you'll need to get rid of that. Now, unless you want your coffee to taste of acid, rinse this tank very, very thoroughly. Rinse, rinse, rinse. When you're satisfied that all the solution is gone, fill the tank with cold water. Return the collection bowl and the tank to the machine. Notice that the lights on top are still flashing quickly. This means the machine is still in descaling mode, so to run the tank through, just press the large cup button again. It takes a while, but the whole lot will be through and the motor will switch itself off. To exit descaling mode now, it's a simple job of pressing the 2 buttons together and they'll come on solid. Turn the machine off, you're done. There'll be a little bit of water left in the tank, so get rid of that. And don't forget the internal drip tray in the machine. That will have some descaling solution in it, so get rid of that and rinse thoroughly. Job done.